Hey guys, this is Drew coming to you with another review. This time we're not going to be doing boxing gloves per se, although we are going to get to something about them later on. But the review I'm doing are the Weiman leather conditioning wipes. Here they are. So, so what I'm going to be doing right now is that, well, I'm just going to be showing you how these do with wiping the leather on a pair of gloves that I have. One of the gloves I reviewed earlier. Now, I've been listening to a lot of different opinions about how to take care of our boxing gloves and gear, and been watching several YouTubers about it, like C Squared Boxing, The Combat Corporation, and even Icy Mike of Hard to Hurt when he was talking about the sparring gear. You gotta love his stuff when he's making content about how to take care of our gear and stuff like that. So, anyway, guys, what? So I went to Home Depot to pick this up, and quite frankly, I couldn't find a lot of leather conditioning, ge- ge- leather conditioning gear that I could find on a convenient basis, but this one happened to be right there at Home Depot, so I just thought, why not take a shot? So this one is definite. So this is definitely gonna be one of those that's I haven't seen people try and do with on a pair of boxing gloves. Now these are done on shoes, furniture, car interiors, coats, briefcases, and purses. So this will make things interesting, especially since I have a pair of gloves right here that could use a little bit of cleaning. So yeah, yeah, these are the gloves that I reviewed some time ago. I think it was one of my earliest boxing glove review videos, and these are the Stryke boxing gloves, which you'll find the link to in the description, by the way, of not only the review but even where you can get the gloves. But again, we're not here to talk about the gloves. We kind of already did that. But here's the thing: these gloves have some stains on them, as you can pretty much see from right here. So yeah, yeah, it's got a stain right here and there. And these are made of genuine leather, by the way. I don't know if I discussed. You can check my, yeah, you can check the description to see of these gloves when you look them up to know that these are the real deal in terms of the leather on them. But because of that, I definitely felt the need to test these wipes on these gloves, especially since they're not exactly the highest budget gloves out there, but they can still do the job regardless. So yeah, guys. So let's get ready with the leather cleaning ing on this glove to make sure that this really does what it can do uh, do on this that it does for a lot of the other put things I mentioned that it can work on. All right, so now that we got them out, let's test the leather cleaning on this. So for reference, here are some of the stains that are on it. Start. This is the right glove, by the way. So let's do it. Ugh, wow. This even has a bit of a citrus smell to it. So yeah. looking good so far on this one. Now the left glove. For reference, here's here's a stain on it. Yeah, yeah. Got a little work cut out for me on this one, but we can handle it. Let's go. Not not too shabby. It did a very good job at it did a very good job at wiping these gloves down. So yeah, this is definitely some good stuff. Yeah, so this is definitely some good stuff that I see right here, and uh, all right, so this is definitely some good stuff I see. But now, so now all that's left to do is to buff these gloves. Hold on. So now all we have to do left is buffing these gloves. So mm, wow, wow, wow. That's all I'll say. These gloves really do look brand new in a way. Uh, like I was able to at least get some of the stains out, but at the same time, these gloves are conditioned very well, so they do have a nice sheen to them that I haven't seen in a while. So yeah, guys, these so yeah, guys, these glo- so yeah, guys, these gloves have a little bit of their glow, their natural glow again, and by a little bit I mean, well, as much as much as it was before these past few weeks. So yeah, these gloves look very new again. So yeah, these gloves look very new again, and I gotta say that the Weiman leather cleaner wipes, conditioning wipes. I said cleaner, my bad, but they do that too. So yeah, guys, though these wipes really do a good job at cleaning your gear, and I don't even know why some people don't at, at least talk about them when it comes to your leather gloves right here. So yeah, guys, these this leather conditioning wipe. So these leather conditioning wipes, they really do a good job, and they make their gloves look like brand new. But you also have to remember to buff them clean as soon as you're done. So that's another step that you need to take when cleaning these gloves. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts on these these wipes and this whole review. And till then, I hope you guys are having a good rest of the rest of the 2000. Till then, I hope you guys are having a day at wherever you're watching this from, or whenever you're watching this from. So be sure to take care of your boxing gear. Use leather use leather conditioning wipes or spray, and be sure to sanitize your gear as well when you're done using it, and that way your gloves will be able to live very long, guys. So be sure to hit subscribe for more content, and let me know your thoughts. I'll see you later. So be sure to hit subscribe if you want to find more. Be sure to hit subscribe for more content. Till then, I'll see you all later. Take care.